Now let's do the initial setup on just the camera. So we'll start at Preferences, and we get there by swiping down and then clicking on that Preferences button. You're going to see a bunch of menu options. We'll start with General. And notice that the quick capture right there is off. We want that off so we don't start the camera in video mode accidentally. Also, our default mode right there is last 360 time lapse. Let's head down to time and date, and we do want these set because that helps us link it to other things and also get a good idea of when this was captured. The camera defaults to somewhere in 1920 or something like that. Then we want to back out of that and go to regional. This is a very important step. This is where you get the GPS. Definitely want that GPS to be on. That's how we get the geolocated images. So once that's on, go ahead and back out of Preferences, and we'll do the rest of the settings on the main screen. So first, let's take a look at this little globe looking thing right there. If you click on it, it'll switch to hero mode, which is just one camera. So you want to see that globe. Also, we click on that 360 time lapse and you get a couple options. Click that bottom one. And here is what you are looking for. Format photo and interval 10 seconds. 10 seconds works really well for hiking or kayaking or canoeing. So we can back out of that and you are ready to go.